What STEM research breakthroughs did Sciencedaily highlight this month? Prepare to discover cutting-edge advances that are reshaping medicine and technology in ways you never expected. One standout breakthrough featured this month involves stem cells being used to regenerate damaged heart tissue. Researchers have developed techniques to coax stem cells into becoming healthy heart cells, potentially reversing damage from heart attacks. In parallel, exciting progress in spinal cord injury treatments shows stem cells helping restore nerve function, offering hope to paralysis patients. These advances highlight stem cells' unique ability to repair and replace damaged tissue in ways traditional medicine cannot. Another breakthrough involves refined gene editing technologies applied to stem cells. Scientists have improved CRISPR tools to edit the genome with incredible accuracy, minimizing off-target mutations. This precision allows for safer correction of genetic disorders before stem cells are transplanted into patients. By combining gene editing with stem cell therapy, researchers are moving closer to cures for inherited diseases that were once untreatable, opening vast new possibilities for personalized medicine. Sciencedaily also highlighted progress in creating organoids, tiny lab-grown versions of organs made from stem cells. These mini-organs replicate human disease conditions, allowing researchers to study illnesses like cancer and neurodegeneration in detail. Organoids accelerate drug testing by providing a realistic platform for screening potential treatments without risking patient health. This breakthrough is revolutionizing how we understand complex diseases and develop new therapies. These remarkable stem cell breakthroughs are unlocking new frontiers in medicine, from repairing damaged organs to curing genetic diseases. The future of healthcare is being rewritten right now. If you want daily answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and join us on this incredible journey.